automated storage and retrieval system for pharmaceutical industry. At Bell Spring, we design and build a complete automated storage and retrieval system to manage complex flows from raw materials to final products between production and inventory control. Raw materials enter the security gate, and boxed materials are identified and matched using control system commands. Boxes enter the storage area, pallets are systematically moved to their designated spot. The loader provides simultaneous movement in 3 axes. Multiple cars enable independent load movement. A fully autonomous pallet jack provides load transport from the production site to a storage entrance on the 2nd floor. In storage, pallets are vertically stacked across multiple shelves. This enables efficient space utilization. Orders are programmed remotely, and orders are retrieved accordingly. Orders are robotically placed onto a conveyor. Color touchscreen panel enables ease of use. Empty shelves are returned to their original location. Boxes are individually sorted onto independent conveyors. Scanning barcode. Boxes are moved to various packing lines. Each box is taped. Boxes can also be nylon banded. By this stage, boxes are fully packaged. Given different bill of materials, we design and build systems to streamline the process of organizing and distributing a variety of raw materials, components, and subassemblies, each in varying quantities, for the manufacture of numerous end products. The ASRS is capable of identification and sorting of materials in different shapes and sizes. Once identified, pallets can be moved vertically upwards or downwards to their next destination. An underground rail cart facilitates load transport between different corridors. Orders arrive at the appointed loading dock and can be quickly inspected via a user-friendly PLC HMI system with color touchscreen. Automatic record updating is performed by the system, and storage bins are returned.